These could very well be some of the most affordable homes for sale in Accra.
And she isn't lying. If you're over the age of 40, what if I told you that YouTube could be your ticket to freedom, even after that age? Yes, welcome to my channel. I am Hannah B, the woman who teaches by being. I make content around flexible life, making YouTube money for financial freedom in retirement for those over the age of 40. And today's video is hidden niches where I consume content for your benefit. That's my channel. Those are some of the amazing content creators that I have featured: lawyers turned YouTubers, chemist turned YouTuber, and even a nurse turned YouTuber. But today we are going down the street to a wonderful lady's address, and her name is Yasmin Hammer. Yasmin was a young lady who was a social worker in Australia. She wasn't feeling the job. It wasn't right for her. She had a niggling feeling that there was more to life. She's not in her 40s, no. But I am taking lesson from Yasmin's content creative journey to share with you over the age of 40 that there could be more to life than just a routine life, right? So she started off her journey showing people how she became a youth worker, even a day in the life, her very first day when she went to resume as a social worker, and then left Australia back to her native home, Ghana. In Ghana, she found purpose. So, what I'm saying is start where you are, even if it is ordinary. Yasmin didn't wait for the perfect studio or the fancy gear. She simply started sharing her life. What was she doing? She was a social worker, you know. And that is all she did because people are starved for realness. Everybody wants to see someone who looks like them. YouTube viewers are craving stories that they can relate to, not perfection. So you want to turn your daily routines into episodes that start small. Take a look at this. These are Yasmin's videos of realness, real life people working in Ghana. This she shares videos across our channels, even on Instagram, as to simple routines, a day in a life. You can do that. What do I spend in a week? A day in my life as a 40-year-old or after 40. Because believe you me or not, YouTube is the new retirement plan. Whether you like it or not, that is what is going to happen. Yasmin has turned her lifestyle into leverage. She's leveraging everything she knows. You know, this is not just a channel. This is over 600 videos on the channel. She never gave up. She has built a system. As I said, she's built a life work. This is a museum, a body of work across years. You just have to keep going. YouTube is not just content, it's digital equity. Every video that you put out is a seed. And this is a reminder to myself: one video brings in views today, 10 videos will bring in views tomorrow. 100 videos can build you a bridge out of burnout, out of poverty, out of what looks like a bleak retirement from this point. You just have to stay consistent, not perfect. Uploading every week, every day for 1 year puts you ahead of 90% of content creators. But also, you want to talk to people. I'm making this video, I'm thinking to myself, there's my younger sister who's going to be what, 40 in a couple of weeks. You're not talking to masses. So you need to ask yourself, who are you talking to? Is it moms over 40? Are they the quiet thinkers, the side hustlers, those that are tired of 9 to 5? Who are you talking to? You want to speak to somebody, you want to be specific because they'll stay if they feel seen. That's the only time they will feel seen. She's sharing a mukbang with her friends, Australian friends, try popular Ghanaian food for the first time. This is amazing because Yasmin continues to inspire. Yasmin not only does that, let's go into her about page. She's built a lifestyle channel around travel, personal experiences, stories of Africans in the diaspora. She's currently sharing tips of moving from the diaspora to Ghana. So she offers a consultancy service and she comes also to show us about real estates in Ghana. So if that's something that floats your boat, why not? But also, you want to use curiosity to win the click. She's letting us know some of her thumbnails are don't move to Ghana, if things to watch out for, how much money you need to be able to live in Ghana, and what can you buy with $2 in Ghana. I think I remember seeing, can you see that? What can you get? What can $2 get you in Ghana? She uses tension and curiosity. You want to build that because you want to make your titles feel like cliffhangers. Not clickbaity, but cliffhangers. I love that she started this with a hair video. And it's just amazing because she's showcasing a shea butter product. You want to have your story first and have your camera second because people stay for the stories. Yasmin doesn't just film, she shares. She's constantly going on a house hunt to let us know what is happening. It's never just a vlog, there's always a message in there, and you can do the same thing. You can do that. People are still searching for cooking, dinner stories, not necessarily just the dinner. And I do the same thing. I'm learning every day. But if we don't start, we won't learn, will we? But also, you don't need to go viral. You just need to be valuable. Yasmin Hammer's story didn't build her audience in one day. She built it with value, episode after episode, year after year. Your presence is your power. So the more you see life can shift someone else's path, that is value. That's legacy. You want to find 100 different ways to tell your stories. And in episode 8, I will be sharing the story of another creator who shares a story or tells a story in 100 different ways. Think about it. You could try formats such as 5 things I wish I knew at 40, morning routines for over 40 creators, how YouTube gave me purpose after my 9 to 5 burnout. It's totally up to you and what you do. It's your channel. You don't need to be young. You don't need to be flashy. You just need to start your story. This young lady left Australia to go to Ghana. Have you ever done anything that scares you? Maybe you want to think about that. You want to start documenting your life. People are getting paid to live.
$2, guys. $2 only on a whole full complete meal. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's go to the market. Just a quick one before we get into the video. I do have a website where I sell natural skincare and hair care. It's www.lushourskinandhair.com. The link will be in the description box if you want to.
Can you see? From YouTube, there are excellent opportunities. She has done what? She now has a skincare line. This is a million views 4 years ago. And this is just amazing. Is there more to life than this? Absolutely. But you have to step outside of your day-to-day life. You've got to do something that scares you. You've got to put yourself out there in order for people to see you, in order for a community to find you. I'm talking to you and I'm talking to myself as well. Your time is not up. This is your beginning, and you want to start telling your stories because it could save a life, it could help somebody, but also you want to start building your digital legacy, one quiet, purposeful, powerful video at a time. Why not join me next Sunday when we will continue with Hidden Niches? This is a series. Join me for episode 8, where we will be going to visit another content creator and learning lessons from their YouTube journey. Until next time, I hope you'll start something. If you do, let me know down in the comment section below so that I can come and check out your channel as well. Take care and stay loved.